My name is Joe Pikas, and the discussion today is RSTRENG Plus benefits. We're going to focus on RSTRENG, the features and the benefits, the remaining life and reassessment intervals, and those benefits, and also the summary. We're going to talk about integrated solution, risk reduction, increased asset value, and maintenance savings. What is RSTRENG Plus? Well, it includes workflow information using the zero-out method. And this is something that we automated over the years. We're not changing the calculations. Everything's the same. It provides a level 2 evaluation of the remaining strength calculation. It calculates multiple effective areas. This is the only program that does that. As compared to spreadsheets that only provide one effective area. Provides a number of steel or composite type sleeves. It reduces the cost on those and the number of them. Provides multiple levels of repair options. Facilitates better integrity repair decisions. Along with it provides better management of the pipeline metal loss defects by reducing the cost and the time with repairs. This is a picture or user interface of RSTRENG Plus. And as you could see, it shows the plot up on the right-hand corner of this long length corrosion. And below you can see the areas in red where it fails the maximum operating pressure, both on the ASME B31G and modified B31G calculations, along with the other calculations. How do we repair this? Well, the zero-out method allows you to come up with an assessment on this, and it identifies those locations. If they were repaired, will bring you to the maximum allowable safe operating pressure. Of course, you could repair the entire 115 inches of length of that corrosion anomaly. However, by identifying only those areas of repair that need to be fixed, this allows the client to reduce cost and money and time. We also have remaining life reassessment intervals and also corrosion identification of metal loss per year. As you can see in the PRCI calculations, the RSTRENG level 2 is the one that has the maximum safe pressure that's the highest. And by identifying your time to failure, your remaining life, and reassessment intervals, you could begin to schedule your ILI runs and budgets and things of this nature. So this is a program that gives you a forward-looking vision of what is going to occur. I want to end this by thanking you for your time. And if there's any questions, feel free to contact technicaltoolboxes.com. Thank you.